Coffee is a big stress buster. A cup of hot piping coffee in the morning can make you rejuvenated instantly. Researchers have revealed that caffeine, a prime element in coffee, has the power to not only relieve you from stress but also act as an immense energy booster. But are you aware of other benefits of coffee, like using it for your hair enhancement? Yes, you heard it right. Coffee is an easily available ingredient in every kitchen. With some simple steps, you can make your DIY coffee shampoo anytime for your lustrous tresses. Caffeine works very fast on your brain cells, thereby circulating your blood vessel in a positive manner. You can try this magic product to give your hair a more refreshing and silky shine effectively without spending a lot on cosmetic hair products. How coffee helps in hair growth. Coffee is loaded with several components that have the ability to stimulate your cells in a proactive way. Antioxidants to get healthy hair cell. Coffee contains high-level antioxidants that is responsible for stimulating the production of healthy cells in the scalp. Moreover, it also helps in protecting the hair cells so that your tresses stay safe from damages, especially from ultraviolet rays of sun. It is suggested that you opt for darker coffee beans such as espresso and French roast in order to get maximum benefits of antioxidants. Prevents frequent hair fall. It has been revealed by researchers that caffeine is a great source to reproduce hair follicles in a healthy and strong way. Being a stimulator in hair growth, caffeine is also good in preventing hair fall problems in a short time span. It is observed that if coffee is applied in the right amount, it has the power to penetrate deep in the hair roots, nourish the follicles, and give significant growth. Coffee and shampoo. DIY homemade solutions. There are quite a few ways to include caffeine in your daily hair care routine. With easy and simple ingredients, you can get a natural homemade hair care that is sure to work wonders. Let's get to know the processes. Basic coffee shampoo. This is ideal for getting long, soft and shiny hair without visiting a salon or even spending a dime. All you need is your favorite shampoo and a little amount of caffeine to make things work. Ingredients. Coffee powder, half teaspoon. A mild shampoo of your choice, 4 to 5. The quantity will depend on the length and volume of your hair. Process. Pour the shampoo into a small bowl and add coffee powder to it. Give them a good stir so that it mixes. Moisten your hair with little water and apply the mixture all over it. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse it off properly with lukewarm water. Coffee and baking soda shampoo. If you are using hair styling products, then build-ups in scalp is quite common. It is essential to clean your hair thoroughly on a regular basis. A simple coffee shampoo made at home can be your easy getaway to bank on. It not only adds some extra shine to the locks, but also makes your tresses smooth, soft and healthy. Ingredients. Coffee powder, 2 tablespoons. Baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon. A mild shampoo of your choice, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Process. Take the shampoo in a small mixing bowl. Add coffee powder and baking soda to it. Blend all ingredients well. Moisten your hair with water and apply the coffee mixture thoroughly. Leave it on for a few minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water followed by a good conditioner. Dry shampoo made with coffee. In today's fast-paced world, dry shampoo is considered as one of the best choices for women to make their hair look fresh and fragranced. Instead of buying some dry shampoo, you can easily make a quick dry shampoo at your home with some coffee. Ingredients. Coffee powder, 1 tablespoon. Arrowroot powder, 2 tablespoons. Process. Take the coffee powder in a mixing bowl. Make sure that it is very finely grounded and has a smooth, velvety texture. Or else, you may want to run it through a grinding machine for a finer variation. If you don't mind going a bit farther, just take a handful of coffee beans and grind them freshly. Add arrowroot powder to the coffee powder. However, you must keep in mind that the quantity of arrowroot needs to be adjusted based on your true hair color. With the help of a foundation brush, apply the dry mixture to your scalp as well as on the hairline. Allow it to sit for a few minutes so that all dirt, dust and excess sebum gets soaked up. Finally, brush your hair well to get the mixture out nicely. Hairspray with coffee. To keep your hair in good health, this homemade coffee hairspray can be an excellent substitute of highly priced serums. Ingredients: black coffee powder 2 tablespoons, hot water. Process: prepare a cup of black coffee and allow it to cool down. Now pour it into a bottle spray and store. After you shampoo your hair, spray some black coffee to the hair roots on the scalp. Massage the hair gently with your fingers for few. Let it rest for 10 minutes and then again wash off your tresses.